In some breaking news coming in, and this is worrying news actually coming in from the national capital, there's been a spike in the COVID fatality in Delhi. Delhi reporting about 40 COVID deaths in 24 hours, 27,561 new cases, and 26.2% positivity rate in the national capital. Those are the details here coming in as far as Delhi is concerned, continuing to see a spike in cases and now even a spike in the COVID fatality rate that we are seeing in Delhi after 40 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. We're looking at 27,561 new cases and the positivity rate also shooting up to 26.22%. That is a worrying trend in Delhi. We're just going to try and go across to our reporter to try and put these numbers into a little bit of perspective here for us. But for now, these are the numbers that we have at this point in time. The COVID fatality rate in Delhi has in fact gone up. Remember, Delhi has been seeing a spike in cases over the last several days, and now there has been an increase in the COVID fatality rate with 40 COVID deaths in 24 hours, and the positivity rate also shooting up to 26.2% at this point in time. Those are the details here coming in. This is the latest as far as Delhi is concerned. In fact, this is a spike in the COVID fatality rate that we're looking at in Delhi. Delhi is reporting 40 COVID deaths in 24 hours. That we are talking about 27,561 new cases and 26.22% positivity rate. That is what is happening in the national capital. Worrying scenario emerging in Delhi. There was some hope that we might see a tapering down or a slight dip in cases, but that is not seen to be the case at this point in time. This is the latest that we are getting as far as the COVID rise is concerned in Delhi. Remember, even in the previous wave, Delhi was one of the worst hit cities. Alok is joining us for more. Alok, there was some, thought that we might see some sort of a dip in cases, but this is appearing to be a worrying trend with the number of cases, the fatality rate, the positivity rate, all showing a serious up move.
Definitely, in fact, the Delhi government yesterday, we saw that the chief minister came out and said that if the case remains like this, the 20,000 case, and in fact, the Delhi government and the health minister was started talking that the peak has now reaching in the national capital. So definitely the number of cases are going to decrease. But if you see the today's trend, it's really showing that it's going to increase in the coming days, because if you see that 440 deaths have been reported, and it's highest if you see and if it is comparable with the days in the month of April last year, when there were a huge number of deaths were happening. So definitely it's a cause of concern. We have to take the reaction from the government that what will they say right now, because at one side we were thinking about that in the coming days the number of cases will now start decreasing, because 20,000 cases were coming for past 3 days continuously. So the Delhi government was thinking about that its peak has come, and in coming days the number of cases will start decreasing. But now this is worrying trend. And apart from that, if you see the positivity rate, that has also increased. The number of tests are still happening around 1 lakh, and the positivity rate has reached up to 27%. So we have to see that how the things will pan out. But definitely it's a serious that the number of cases have again started rising in the national capital.
All right, Alok, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.